Hi guys, welcome to the video. I'm just going to do a breakdown of some charts and also show you what trades I've taken yesterday and which trades I'm still in. So if I go on Euro GBP on the H4 time frame, I took a trade yesterday which is on a H4 level in yellow and also on a H1 level in blue. As you can see, price was, this was my levels here. So this is an entry I took yesterday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Why did I take this trade? Price was at H4 level. It was also at H1 level. As you can see, there's a rejection on this resistance. So you got a spinning doji here, and then you got a bearish candle. So this is where price moves from bullish to bearish. This would have been a better entry, but I took it on this bearish engulfing candle. It's engulfed the previous higher high. So now it looks so price is going down. This would have been my TP, which is 22 pips. And as you can see, price didn't go towards my target profit and it hasn't hit stop loss. So I was monitoring this last night, even around 1 o'clock. I'm still in the trade. I haven't actually closed it. But as you can see, its price is in potentially drawdown at the moment. I have got a 12 pip stop loss, but I'm still in the trade. I just want to see what's going on because I still feel as though it can potentially push down. But yeah, that's the trade that I took on Euro GBP yesterday. I'm still in it at the moment, still open. This is a trade I took on Euro USD yesterday. So remember, if you trade in the USD pairs, you need to look at DXY. So in the H4, I thought you got this bullish engulfing candle. So price is going to go up from here, which means that the USD pairs are going to go down. So that's why I took a sell trade. If I show you on H1, I took a sell trade on this candle here. And I thought price will be going down. It did go to minus 23. But to be honest with you, my target profit was this region here, minus 61. And if it did hit that, I would have been in 35 pips, but unfortunately price reversed. As you can see on the DXY, formed a double bottom before it potentially goes up today, so it hit stop loss. Might be potential sell trade today, we don't know. I'll just see where price on DXY goes. But on USD, I lost 11 pips on Euro USD. GBP USD, I didn't take any trades. Remember, you only should trade either Euro USD or GBP USD, one or the other. If you trade one, the reason why you shouldn't trade both is because it has a similar price action. If you win on one, you'll win on both. But obviously, if you lose on one of them, you lose on both. So not good in terms of risk management. This is EJ Euro JPY. I didn't take a trade yesterday, and yeah, I didn't take a trade yesterday, so let me just update this Euro USD chart for now. So to update it, this is the most recent support, which it's at now. Sorry, resistance, and this is the most recent support. So potential sell trade on Euro USD, because we've got price on support at the moment. So if I show you, if this is the most low to lower higher high, let's say that's a H4 level, you got price retraced at 32.8.2. It's not great, but it potentially might go up. It could go down as well, looking at the candle. It's not a strong buy sell trade at the moment, so I'm going to leave it to see how price plays out. As you can see, there's a green candle on the H4, so I'll just wait to see how it plays out. But in the next hour, if it does potentially to be bearish, that would be my trade there. So I'm interested actually in this trade at the moment. So what I'll do is I'll come back to it. I'll just highlight this candle for now. See how price plays out in the next hour, 15 minutes even. Keep an eye on in this. So if there's another bearish candle, I'll take a trade, but we'll see how it goes. H4, yeah, it's not very clear at the moment, so I'll leave it for now. So H4, this is a higher high, that's the most recent high low. So this is a H4 level. If you go into H1, this is a lower high, the most recent lower high to the most recent lower low. So your H1 levels are in blue, and if price goes close to this level, I would look for a sell trade, similar to Euro GBP, sorry, Euro USD. Now we'll go into EJ. So let's have a look at the daily. Daily is a bullish candle, so potential buys today. H4, it's going, I can see it going close to this H4 level. This would be my level, H1 level anyway, most recent one. Potential sell trade, it would be a reversal trade going down here, so we'll see how that plays out as well. But obviously the daily indicates that it was a buy trade today, but I am doing this in the afternoon now, so any buy trades would have been done early in the morning when London session opened around 8 o'clock. So we'll see how this one plays out as well. I'm potentially interested in that as well. And then USD CAD. This is a trade that I'm currently in at the moment from yesterday. So if you look yesterday, it was a spinning doji, H4, trapped the price between H4 levels, and then I went on to H1. This is a trade I took yesterday. So it would have been better if I was close to the H1 level. This candle would have been better, but I entered here around 7 o'clock. I think I shouldn't have entered, to be honest. I only trade 9 to 5. But yeah, I entered that one and I'm still in the trade. It's still in profit, but my target profit is here is 22 profit, 22 pips, sorry. So yeah, we'll see how that plays out. I'm currently in this trade at the moment. And then US 30 Dow Jones. This is a trade that I took a couple of days ago, which I showed in my previous video. It's still in a range between these two levels, H4. It's close to the H4 level now, so you can expect a potential sell trade. Then if I go on to here, the fib retracement, so get it from the most recent higher low to the higher high. But prices are resistance now. Prices are resistance, and if it is a sell trade and it does go down, this would be my TP. The wick is here, but obviously you've got a candle closing here, so my TP would be here. But yeah, let's see how that plays out as well. That's on Dow Jones. And then if we look at gold, let's see if there's any trading opportunities today. Gold is in price discovery at the moment, all-time high, so a lot of people are staying away from it at the moment. Update the daily. It's going to H4, so this is the most recent higher high, which is on a daily resistance. And this is the most recent high low. Once we've done that, we'll go on to the H1 time frame. Do the same again, trap the price between two levels. And as you can see, I'll show you now. Get this Fibonacci tool, get it from yesterday's higher high, which is here, to the most recent price action. Actually here, sorry, this is Tuesday. There you go, there you've got resistance. If you want to, these are your intraday levels, so I only trade intraday. And as you can see, price came to this support here. So 8 o'clock, which is here, I'll show you which candle was a good entry if you wanted to enter this. See, the market opens at 8 o'clock. So look at here, 10 o'clock, that would have been a good entry. Even before that one, to be honest. And this would have been your risk management. So if you do enter, your stop loss would be either here or just underneath the high low. That would be your TP. So if you entered this trade, that would have been a better entry. If you go on M15, any of these candles would have been a good entry and you would have been in profit. So yeah, we'll see how that plays out. And Bitcoin, obviously, if you look on my Bitcoin episode 4, that'll tell you, you know, where Bitcoin is going at the moment. And, you know, if you're trading intraday, look at this blue level. I'll touch this on my next Bitcoin episode 5. But if you're trading intraday, it's at a H4 level. Potential sell trade today on the H4 time frame. price, yeah, I expect a sell trade potentially today on Bitcoin. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. That's just some trades that I'm in, trades I entered yesterday, some potential losses, and obviously trades that are currently running, and setups for today as well. If I take any trades, and obviously tomorrow I'll record it. Hope you enjoyed the session, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. I will potentially be starting a Telegram channel where I not give signals, but I may do it where any entries that I take, I will notify you. But obviously, any trades taken would be under your discretion. I wouldn't be liable for any losses. So if I do get interest in that service, then I might start it. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to analyze the trades. I do get a lot of feedback in terms of I don't understand candlestick analysis. That is where you need to do your own research, guys. So you need to look at babypips.com, and that will just give you a breakdown of what each candlestick represents. For example, what is a green candlestick? What is a bullish engulfing candle? What is an inverted hammerhead? What is a spinning doji? What do they represent in the market? So that is up to you guys. If you want to learn, you've got to do a bit of research as well. So hope you enjoyed the session, guys. Have a great week.